everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Jagriti and I am a cabin crew. Till देख के तो आपको पता चल ही गया होगा this video is about Q&A session जो कि मैंने Instagram पे अपने डर के करा था that what if somebody will not ask any question, but मुझे ऐसे भर के questions आए. I was shocked. Like there were a lot of questions mostly about my hair and then my profession, this that. So I thought I should make a video about it क्योंकि मैं सारे जो questions थे उसका reply मैं दे नहीं पाई and जितना हो सके मैंने उतना story पे डाला था. So that's why I'm making this video to all of my Instagram family and my YouTube family, of course. जो कि they have a lot of questions. So the very first question is Airbus or Boeing. Now Airbus, I have been flying Airbus since 2020 from Go Air, and Boeing मुझे बहुत newly मैंने start करा है flying from Air India. So it's been 6 months that I'm flying Boeing. It is a wide body aircraft. It has many advantages, not only comfort but it takes me to the world. So I will always choose Boeing over any other aircraft as of now. It's amazing. Boeing 787 I'm flying. So yeah, Boeing. Where I am from Bihar. In Bihar I am from Siwan district. What is your weirdest experience during a haircut? Okay, so very recently जो मैंने vlog डाला था अपना, जिसमें I told you all कि जिनसे मैं हमेशा अपने बाल कटवाती हूँ, he was not there, so there was a new barber जिनसे मैंने कभी अपने बाल नहीं कटवाए. And every time I go for my haircut, I do tell them कि you know, please cut it nicely, this that, I don't want any mess in my hair and all. And he took it very personally. He said okay, I'll give my best and everything. Now all the ladies and even men, they know कि जब आपका hair wash होता है, that thing is very uncomfortable for your neck. And you know, I was like this and he was washing my hair, and then उसने जो hair mask लगाया, he decided to give his best and he started giving me that spa wala massage over my head, which was nice, but my neck was hurting so bad because of that, you know, that thing जिसमें आप अपना सर रखते हो to wash your hair. It was so weird. I could not tell him because I know he was trying his best to give me best experience because मैंने उसको ऐसा बोल दिया था, but that was weird. I could not tell him that, you know, it's hurting me because I didn't want to hurt his feeling. He was trying to give his best he could give me because मैंने उसको पहले ही बोल दिया कि what age you did your first flight as air hostess. That was, I was 20-year-old when I started flying, though I joined Go Air at the age of 18, but 2019 में join करा, 2020 में पूरा COVID की वजह से 1 year we were seated at home doing nothing. So yeah, at the age of 20, from 2021 I started flying. Somebody has asked me litti chokha or butter chicken. Since I'm from Bihar, I would always choose litti chokha over butter chicken because I like spicy food. Butter chicken I don't like. Even if I would like to eat chicken, that has to be spicy like how we make in my Bihar. But of course litti chokha is something which I'll choose always. This question is, how long have you been a flight attendant for? So it's been 4 years in this industry. I joined my first airline back in 2019 and till date I am with aviation. So yep. Have you ever thought of getting a hidden undercut? It looks amazing with the bob. Okay, so there was a time when I went for haircut and the barber, he decided to do experiment over my hair and he gave me literally that Rihanna cut. I don't know, he said it's a Rihanna cut. वो पीछे से एकदम boy cut था, आगे से बस, it's not like this which I'm having right now. It was very short, एकदम boy cut from behind and I had very sharp, you know, so it was like undercut. I don't know जो भी कहे, तो I had it once and now I don't want to have it. Like, you know, मुझे बहुत सारे questions आते हैं over Instagram and on my YouTube videos कि आप please pixie cut try करो, आप ये try करो, वो try करो. But the thing is, I don't want to because I have already experimented everything. And you know, as a crew, I cannot experiment lot on my hair. जो भी है वो है, चल रहा है, ठीक है. Because you know, to maintain short hair, it's really not so easy thing. You have to maintain it. You have to, you know, blow dry it, fly it, and things. So it's already a mess. I don't want to put a lot of stress over trying some new haircut, which I have to maintain it every month. Have you tried bob with bangs? I recommend it. It will definitely suits you. Can think of it. See, I had it. I had bangs with bob. as I said, I have tried every haircut on my hair, so I had that as well. I'll post a picture here. What motivates you to keep your hair short? Any plan to grow it from in the future? The only reason I cut my hair because it was getting very hectic at my training days from Go Hair 2019. Really serious about hair styling and hair gel lagao, ye karo, wo karo, no your baby hair is visible. I was so irritated that moment और मैंने अपने लंबे बालों को कटवा दिए बिकॉज मुझे कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं चाहिए था, ऑलरेडी बहुत स्ट्रेस था ट्रेनिंग का. बट आई सॉ बेनिफिट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड फ्लाइंग दैट मुझे आधे घंटे एक्स्ट्रा सोने को मिल रहे हैं एंड इट लुक्स गुड. मुझे काफ़ी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिले शॉर्ट हेयर पे, तो इट गेव मी कॉन्फिडेंस दैट येस आई कैन कैरी इट, आई कैन हैव इट, and that's why I'm having it. If I'm not a crew, I can grow my hair back, but as a crew I will never grow my hair. I will always keep them short. How much do I earn in my profession? So I have already made a video about how much cabin crew earns and Air India salary and everything. Go check this out. You might get to know how much I earn. Have you joined aviation immediately after your 12th? So after 12th I was 17-year-old, so I had to wait 1 year. But yes, after 12th I was pursuing my graduation as well. Side say it was like from SOL, and I joined an airline. So yes, after 12th I joined my airline. Also along with that I was doing my graduation as well. How many times did you visited New York City? New York City I visited only once. That was not even New York layover, it was Washington layover. But Washington से केवल 4.5 घंटे का बस ड्राइव है, and we decided to go since it was 3-day clear day pattern I had, and मैंने उसका पूरा vlog बनाया है. You guys must watch that vlog because that vlog is very close to my heart. And we 3 crew, we went there, we had amazing time, excellent time I must say. New York's Times Square and Brooklyn Bridge, and ज़्यादा भी हम नहीं explore कर पाए because of limited time, but whatever we did it was amazing. What inspires me in my life? I think money inspires me in my life, and freedom inspires me in my life. So as long as I'm having freedom and money, the more I get that, the more I am having freedom in my life, the more it excites me to work even harder, ताकि मुझे ये जो चीज़ें हैं ये कंटिन्यू रहे मेरे लाइफ में. आई वुड नेवर लाइक टू बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन समवन, एंड आई वुड ऑलवेज लाइक टू हैव इंडिपेंडेंसी ओवर माई choice and over my decisions and over my life. And that thing comes with money, that thing comes with your own money. So yes, money and freedom inspired me a lot in my life to go on and to work harder for my better future. Do I have any plan for international airline like Qatar? Yes, absolutely. I would love to join an international airline as long as giving me growth opportunity in my life, and of course it will give. So yes, I would love to join. ऐसा नहीं है that I'm not happy in Air India. It's just that I have an age and I have a time, so I can explore as many work culture I can, and I would love to do that. How many star would you like to give Frank Finn for their training, and are they really useful? See, Frank Finn जो है, it's like an additional course you do for yourself. If you are thinking that Frank Finn will give you placement in an airline, that is very less likely to happen, क्योंकि जो interviews होते भी हैं उनके in-house interviews जो होते हैं वो बहुत कम होते हैं, and most of the time उनके जो बच्चे होते हैं फ्रैंक फिन से जो निकलते हैं उनको वो पहले किसी कॉल सेंटर में या फिर होटल में डालते हैं, बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रीक्वेंटली उनके इंटरव्यूज़ नहीं होते. ट्रेनिंग इज़ फाइन, ट्रेनिंग इज़ गुड, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो ट्रेनिंग जो है उनका वर्थलेस है, बट आई वोंट से कि आपको अगर कैबिन क्रू बनना है तो आपको फ्रैंक फिन से ही होके गुजरना पड़ेगा. दैट इज़ टोटल वेस्ट. If you have confidence, if you have good speaking skills, and you have good grooming knowledge, you can go directly. So Frank Finn, I would give 3 out of 5. What motivates you to keep filming 24/7 being busy schedule? Also you cope up with how I cope up with my sleep scheduled. Right now I'm shooting this video in Singapore layover. I have not slept in the entire night, but the thing is, if I have committed to something like YouTube, I have made it, and I just can't go lazy about it since I have already started. And मुझे लगता है कि if I've started this, I should be, you know, honest with it. मैंने जो ये vlogging start करी थी, especially about my labor, it was basically because of memories. I wanted to keep it as a memory for my entire life, that, you know, if I went to Japan, how I spent my time, because not every time I would go to Japan if I'm not a crew. So, you know, मुझे ये सारी memories बनानी थी. That's how I started my YouTube, and, you know, that's how I started recording everything. But later on, when I started, I saw a lot of questions coming up on my Instagram, since it's a public account. मुझे लगा that, you know, if I have a knowledge about something like related to cabin crew, since it's really, you know, popular topic amongst youngsters, so I thought, why not make it a video so that it can educate people. And my first video was about some Singapore airline interview experience, and that went really good. So मुझे लगा कि I should continue it, and that's how I'm doing it. And I love seeing people reaction over my video. I love seeing people interacting with me through my videos, and would love to continue it. So what were your feelings during your first short haircut, and show a transition between you? See, when I was getting my first haircut, I had really long hair till my waistline, but the thing is, मैं इतनी ज़्यादा frustrate हो चुकी थी. You see, मैं पहली बार बॉम्बे आई थी. I have always lived with my sister, तो मैं ना एक comfort zone में रहती थी. When I visited Mumbai, it was whole chaotic thing for me. मुंबई जैसे शहर में रहना, एंड आई वॉज अमंगस्ट ऑल, यू नो, स्ट्रेंजर्स. एंड जो मेरी ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट हुई, द वर्क कल्चर वॉज रियली स्ट्रिक्ट, यू नो, दे वर रियली पर्टिकुलर अबाउट योर हेयर, योर बेबी हेयर. तो हर एक चीज़ के लिए पॉइंट आउट करते थे, एंड आई वॉज वेरी स्कैर्ड. मुझे लगता था कि मेरा जॉब खतरे में है अगर मैं अच्छे से नहीं जाऊँगी तो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने अपने बाल कटवा लिए. एंड यू नो, आई वॉज सो फ्रस्ट्रेट कि मुझे कुछ फील ही नहीं हो रहा था. आई वॉज लाइक, बस कटवा रही हूँ so that I won't get into troubles at workplace. Not only I got my hair cut, but I also chemically मैंने उसको straight भी कराए थे to make it poker look, because that's how गोयर में चलता था. तो मैंने 3 साल अपने बाल ना ही बस छोटे रखे, बट उसको मैंने केमिकल से स्ट्रेट भी कराया, which I don't do thankfully, because my natural hair is way better than chemical straight hair. Any plans for Toronto? See, I'm flying 787 in Air India, which doesn't go to Canada. And 777 goes, and I'm not trained over that. I would love to come Canada. I would love to explore Toronto as well, but as long as I'm in Air India, I think that won't be possible. But if miraculously, if I get trained on 777, or if I switch my airline, I might come to Toronto as well. आपके नाम का मतलब क्या है? So Jagriti means consciousness. It means जागरूकता. And it's very explainable by hearing my name, Jagriti. And this is the last question of this Q&A session. Is nothing to ask, just here to tell you, be happy always, and thank you so much. Thank you everyone for your lovely messages and comments, and, you know, to show interest in me. It is indeed the best feeling for me as of now, and I would love to interact with you all more and more. Do let me know in the comment section if you want me to make more Q&A sessions video. I would love to do that. Also, मुझे जितने सारे क्वेश्चंस आए थे Q&A, मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा मेरे बालों पे आए थे कि आप ये ट्राई करो, वो ट्राई करो. आई होप आई क्लियर्ड इट ऑल. ऑल्सो अबाउट माई एविएशन जर्नी एंड एवरीथिंग, विच आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू ऑल. ऑल्सो डू लेट मी नो इफ आई मिस्ड एनी क्वेश्चंस. आई एम सो सॉरी इफ आई डिड, बट मैंने जितना कलेक्ट करा था, मैंने उसके सबके आंसर्स दिए हैं. Also, if you like this video, do subscribe my channel. See you all in my next vlog or next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.